Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. The cryptocurrency market is red hot. Bitcoin's price has risen above $35,000 once again. Ethereum surpassed $1,900 and XRP surpassed 68 cents. Cardano over 34 cents, Solana over $41. Do you think prices will go up this week? To put it simply, if you're looking for cryptocurrency-related news and interviews, you've found the right podcast. If you just stumbled onto this page, we'd love it if you'd leave a remark and subscribe. Okay, folks, it looks like the market is shifting, possibly to Asian markets since Monday there, and they might be investing in the market, which would be a positive development. Whatever the case may be, I'm encouraged by the recent uptick in the price of Bitcoin. After all, as the saying goes, a rising tide lifts all boats, and Bitcoin has the potential to reach either $36,000 or $40,000 this week. It remains to be seen how events develop. Bullish signs are emerging, support levels are being formed, and a rebound is expected once they are reached. ETH is looking fantastic right now, and the alts are looking strong. XRP is in excellent shape. Both are currently part of my investment portfolio. Also, this is what the crypto genius has to say about XRP and Ethereum. Therefore, let's begin with Ethereum. Here he posted a chart predicting that Ethereum would soon break out of its 296-day pure accumulation pattern, with a price increase to at least $3,500 and maybe as high as $3,600. So this is the retracement move, not the rise to new all-time highs, right? A lot like Bitcoin. We expect Bitcoin to reach a price range of $40,000 to $50,000. We don't know what the particular discussion will be about, but we do expect a rollover to retest recent lows before a gradual ascent into the next bull market. The alternative markets will follow the same pattern of retracement moves and not reach new highs. And you can bet your bottom dollar that I'll be cashing in some of my Bitcoin and ETH, and maybe XRP, holdings now that he's charting here that the path to 74 cents has begun. In the 48 hours since he made the prediction, XRP has gained over 10%. According to his analysis, the XRP/BTC pair is poised for takeoff once the ascending triangle in the chart breaks. So, he revealed his tweet-based notes. So I think, we're gonna see a lot of alts move and hear XRP and Ethereum. In the top 5, top 6, or top 10, I should say, they will naturally continue to rise. I think we may expect higher pricing this week, so let's see what happens. The question of when the market will peak arises often, so those who wish to cash in should be prepared to do so. I, for one, intend to cash in as things continue to improve, both on Solana and elsewhere. From a week-to-week perspective, Solana is up 26%, and from a week-to-week perspective, XRP is up 23%. That's a lot of tough dudes giving off a forceful vibe. Now, Attorney John Deaton has updated us on the latest developments in the Ripple case. The SEC has abandoned their case against Chris Larsen, the CEO of Ripple, and Brad Garlinghouse, the company's co-founder. According to John, those who claim the SEC won the Ripple case by a 50-50th margin are completely wrong, putting the SEC in an untenable situation. Actually, the odds were 9-10 in Ripple's favor. If Ripple ends up paying a $20 million fine or less, legally, it's a 99.9% win. Yes, he is totally correct. Because when you think about all the stuff the SEC threw at Ripple, right, saying XRP is a security in all respects, not in specific parts. Taking Brad and Chris to court and making various accusations against them throughout the years. Unfortunately, the SEC is now on the defensive. And, folks, I think I smell blood. We need to go for the throat in this situation. Regulator scoundrel Gary Gensler must be exposed as much as possible, thus we must exert the necessary pressure. We need to exert pressure in this and the Grayscale and Coinbase cases as well, as this individual is using taxpayer funds to engage in a pattern of absurdity, hypocrisy, and lawlessness. And they aren't my words either. The judges have ruled that the SEC shows an insufficient commitment to upholding the law. Our duty now is to ensure that these individuals are held accountable. And we can do so much more, from creating material to communicating with our representatives. And therefore, John, you are absolutely correct. Okay, now I have some exciting cryptocurrency funding news to share with you. The headline is as follows: this week's most talked about thing was zero-knowledge crypto-funded gadgets. More capital entering the market is fantastic news, by the way. Coins and the businesses setting up the market infrastructure. So, in total, 2 endeavors aim to learn nothing. Variant and 1KX led a $6 million financing for Modulus, a business employing zero knowledge to bring AI on-chain, this week. Zero knowledge is the cryptographic idea of proving a statement true without looking at its contents. Participants also included blockchain developers from Stanford University. Look at Stanford University, the cool kid on the block, investing in crypto right now with a proposal that touts zero-knowledge proof to help ensure that AI engineers can ensure their tools are performing as expected without compromising on decentralization. A cooperation with WorldCoin is in the works, the business claimed in a blog post announcing the fundraising effort. My feelings on global currency have been made clear. In my opinion, they are providing an important solution. However, their approach seems somewhat harsh, what with retina scans and blockchain records. We need to keep that information safe, and I won't be the one to sell it or use it for my own ends. In order to attract programmers to its ZK environment, the Boston-based software development startup TopoSware raised $5 million, backed by Evolution Equity Partners. Sandeep Muad, co-founder of Polygon, and Matisse, director of infrastructure and worldwide general manager of IBM, are both mentioned as members of TopoSware's advisory council. Animoca Brands, based in Hong Kong, raised $50 million from a fund owned by Saudi Arabia's State Investment Fund to promote the country's growth in the realm of Web 3.0. There's a headline waiting to happen right there. The Saudi government invested $50 million in Animoca, a Hong Kong-based company. Public investment in Saudi Arabia's infrastructure for the next generation of the Saudi internet. The automated market maker, Ekubo Protocol, if I'm getting it properly, is set to raise $12 million via unit swaps down following an initial community token vote, demonstrating the widespread nature of crypto market adoption and investment. Reportedly seeking $3.4 billion for its next round of venture funds, tech investment behemoth A16Z aims to launch new crypto investment vehicles in 2025. We discussed this development earlier in the week. The contracts-based version of Uniswap was developed by Basis Surfer Derivatives Exchange with funding of $3 million from investors including A, B, C, D, E, and others. Very intriguing. I love hearing reports like this. I can feel the excitement building as I see the money roll in. And, as I've already mentioned, it applies to both tokens and new businesses entering the market. This is really bullish. The show is sponsored by Uphold, an exchange I've been using since 2018, so be sure to check them out. They offer over 260 different cryptocurrencies, all of which are secure. They can show you documentation of reserves, conduct audits, and ensure that your money is kept separate from other customers. And both their app and their platform are top-notch. You can also trade precious metals and 37 fiat currencies on this platform. As I've already mentioned, I find Uphold to be really useful, so I recommend that you give it a try. The link is provided below. And do share your thoughts on this development with me. Feel free to share your opinions and ideas here. Do you anticipate that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will reach new highs in the next cycle? This week? Please share your thoughts in the section below. And like and subscribe as always. See you soon, bye.